Hello gentlemen, I'm going to show you what I did with this ongoing problem that you likely have too. If you're here, it's because this switch, the Dodge Ram switch, will only activate the main lights and will not activate the accessory or the parking lights and all the lights associated to that. If you've been to other videos already, there are ways to deal with the problem by means raising this this contact, which sometimes works. There are other ways to reach that contact by grinding this part, which lowers the height of those contacts and will put those nipples accessible to that center part here, and will somewhat solve the problem. It didn't work for me. I ordered a new part from Amazon which behaved the same. It didn't hold the accessory lights and was activating the main lights only. Okay. This video is to show you a way that I found to deal with this problem. Basically, I forgot about this because I drilled these holes here to try to push this contact, this center problematic contact, and try to put it in the same height as those contacts here, and it didn't work at all. So I void the warranty of Amazon because reasons. And what I did was the following. This is a microwave micro switch which is able to handle over 10 amps at 125 or 250 volts, and pretty much it's what it's going to do is to handle the accessory lights alone. Okay, so what I would do is to disconnect the cables from here and pass it the cables through here and solder those in here. You may surely find a more sophisticated design and perhaps a revised version using this rather simple method. Okay, let's put it into reality. Let's put the shaft and the bottom. Okay. There it is. So when it's completely shut down, it presses the micro switch and everything is off. Okay, you'll hear a small click. This is when it gets activated. So this is the switch for the accessory lights. I pull it again, and it will activate the main lights, so it will stay on. Okay, if I choose accessory lights on, it will be still on, and if I completely shut the switch off, it will kill the switch too. I already tried bridging some diodes here, so when the positive comes to the accessory only, it won't activate the main lights, but if the 12 volts activate the main lights, it will pass current to the accessory lights. But the thing is that the diodes overheat, so I discarded that, and then I come up with this simplistic modification. I'm sure you'll find a better way to do this, and I liked it because it has a micro switch which is able to handle a high amount of amps, and after trimming this a little bit and soldering the cables here, it will fit in here. I'm going to show you because it is important for you to know this. Let's remove the shaft. You see it here? It's the opposite, or is it okay? I think it's the opposite. Yeah. And it perfectly fits. Damn mosquito, motherfucker! Ah, shit. Sorry, guys. So it fits. It fits in here and won't affect anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Be sure to, if you're using felt to push the switch down, you gotta put it in the felt first, in between the plastic and the switch. So to anchor this switch, I was patient enough for screw a hole in here for the switch plate and for those plates as well. I hope it gets you an idea how I did this. Let's do a quality control, because I already did this and shook a lot of times this. Oh, there's this hook, this wire, which places this and gives some flexibility as well. From when this goes down, it pushes the switch there. So okay, let's do a quality control. So I'm pushing and pushing down, and here click, shut down, click on, accessory lights and main lights. Sorry about it. German style. So after this, all this shaking, I should be able to push it and hear the click. That shoots the accessory lights off. Cheers, everyone.